What is up, guys? Today we will be going over the basics of making a potato clamp or any kind of vegetable clamp that you want or need to make. So I'm going to edit out most of the stuff, but I'm going to zone in all the important stuff. Okay, so the first thing that we have done here is we've dug a hole that's about 2 feet deep. We used a bobcat and a drill. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to take some straw, a flake of straw. We're going to put it down in there. As you can see, that's what it's going right now. Now that that's down in, you'll take the other half of your flake and you'll put the rest down in. Get it all nice and good for your potatoes or whatever you're doing. So we came to a potato like this. It has this little divot in it right here. The thing with potato clamps is you cannot plant any potato that looks like this, and your potatoes cannot be wet at all. You have to dry them perfectly. And the other main part of it is curing your skin of the potato. Okay, so the next thing that we've done is we have placed our potatoes in there just like a little nest for the potatoes, and they're all nice and in there. Now we're going to start covering up. Now what you do is you just put a little bit more straw in there to cover your potatoes. You're supposed to line the circle. Get it all nice and in there. Okay, now as you can see, we're cutting just a little piece of like plastic tarp for like gardens and stuff. This is reused if you're wondering why it's dirty. And you just cover that hole that you just filled with straw and potatoes. Cut off the excess.
Make an X.
Make an X in the center there. Okay.
A little chimney.
Now you make a little chimney and you put it in. You put the rest of your hay in there. Straw. Put it in just like a little teepee.
Don't cover up the teepee.
So now what you do is you just take your excess dirt from digging up the hole. You just scoop it up and you put it all around your little teepee.
You make a mound.
You make a mound. Get it all nice and in there. You have enough dirt to fill that back up. Okay, so once you get all the dirt patted down, and make sure that you do not cover up your straw, otherwise you'll have a heck of a time trying to find your potatoes and it won't work as good. So this is the final product. Like and subscribe for more. Until next time.